This is the brief on Odensure's premium surface care brands. Now, Odensure is a premium distributor of professional surface care products for automotive, marine, and industrial use, basically giving you the ultimate armor to protect your most expensive investments, like cars and boats, without any of the guesswork. First, we're looking at Wax and Away, an automotive brand for both weekend enthusiasts and seasoned pros that handles all your exterior and interior needs. You can really think of it like a high-end, multi-step skincare routine, but for your car's paint and leather, featuring their Diamond Shield ceramic protection and the ultra-premium Ecosian ceramic wax-creed scented. Second, once that car is totally pampered, you might need a heavy-duty option that bridges the gap between the driveway and the dock. Well, that's Expert 60, a professional-grade range built for both automotive and marine applications, packed with essentials like wash and wax shampoo, Clay to Go, and Indigo 10 wheel cleaner. I mean, why juggle different kits when one professional-grade line can handle the dirt on your tires and the grime on your hull? Finally, if you're dealing strictly with that harsh, corrosive saltwater environment, you really need to graduate to a dedicated vessel-specific solution. That brings us to Surface Marine, which is engineered exclusively for boats and yachts, featuring heavy-duty cutting compounds alongside some incredibly tough marine-grade ceramic coatings. So whether you're polishing up a daily driver or a luxury yacht, all these world-class protection brands are available in one place at Odensure.com.